Alright, to all you guys who watched this video, I just finished streaming this. I coded this entire thing. So I'm gonna quickly go over this with you guys, and there is music because I just finished streaming this entire thing. It was a 2-hour stream, and my editor reviewed, not my editor, my editor squad refused to edit for me. So yep, I'm gonna show it to you guys. So this is the intro, this is the second question, third question, fourth question, blah blah blah. So guys, before you guys question why I made this, it's for a school quiz and we like coding. So let's run it. Alright. Okay, yep, whatever. Yeah, you don't have to get a card, press with this thing. Alright, is that number 120? Alright, you have 1 point. There you go. But by the way guys, I'm gonna put the code for this thing in a copy and paste bin down later in the first link in the description down below, and to quadro unlocks that and keep target and B. There you go. 2 points. Nice. Good. I have no idea, to be honest. I can't remember. Unicorn. Got 1 point and so the entire country will just come to China. Alright, by the way, I'm in Hong Kong, so like if someone got this wrong, that so yeah, it's based on my way. So I've been in my school, which is where I'm doing this quiz. Virtual Strive. What a space. Let's go! Hey! Alright, sis. That one I found? What is that? This is old pun. What do you call it there with no eye? No eye there! Oh! That's one way to spell it. Alright, 10 points. Yeah, okay, whatever. It's a dog, I have a dog. Let's see. Oh, oops. And whatever, just ignore that. And we're done. I have to quickly fix that. Yeah, oh, I did. What? Okay. Alright, that's gonna wrap up for the video. Oh, and oh wait. Wait. I have to quickly do something. Wait, let me go to the top. Here. Which is the hard one? Oh, this one. Alright, this one. Yeah. I wanna do this. So you guys have a code. Else if answer equals IDK. You guys probably noticed if you know Python. This is simple coding. And I don't know either. Oh, there was a mosquito on me. Alright, and we are done. Let me save that, and yeah, thanks for watching the stream, the video. If you're gonna watch the stream file, you can watch the stream file to watch my entire code. The stream file will be released after this video because streams take a long time to load and be broken to the video. So yeah, and this is a 2-hour stream. So thank you guys so much for watching the stream and the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!